don't want to be here.
Are you kidding? I can't believe your cheek. How do you think I feel? You whingy little geek. All I ever wanted was to make ladies' hats, but 6 A1s ruined that.
I got 600 points, the highest in school history, but feck all interested I have in studying dentistry.
But my daddy said,
what about you, mini moocher? I've been thinking about your future. Girl with the brains, what do you wanna be? Anarchist, now listen to me. There's no money in art. You're mental sentimentalist. Don't break your mother's heart. You were meant to be
An artist.
anarchist. You were meant to be a dentist.
Some men are born special. A little something in their genes. Or maybe not so little, if you know what I mean. I was born to be a gigolo. Girls pay to hug and kiss them. But the only thing that me was the education system.
Where is it written, where is it enshrined, that a flight attendant must have a vacant mind? When my results arrived, my flight plans were ravaged, my exit was blocked by society's excess baggage.
I wanted to do history, especially Celtic Civ. They weren't civilized at all. What a deadly way to live! But I got myself 600 points. I needed 62. My daddy was a dentist. His daddy was one too. This is the point, don't you see? This is not what we were meant to be. Dentistry, we're sick of it, sick of it, sick of it. Because of that certificate, dentistry became our destiny.
You could grieve and mourn forever for your previous dreams, and your Irish, so whingings in your devious genes. Or you could be a bit more clever and a bit less sentimental, and realize there are far worse fates than the dental. And realize there are far worse fates than the dental. We can treat our cruel ex-lovers to malfunctioning prosthetics. Remove our taxman's molars, but evade the anesthetics. Spend a little too long probing for a vein. Extract so much pleasure from a little pain. When you let your eyes undress the most curvaceous of nurses, you realize how much the blessings outweigh the curses. You may never craft a hat to frame a pretty face beneath, but you can make yourself a necklace out of stolen golden teeth. You may never get to soar an intercontinental ventures, but instead you'll reach new heights, making even soarer dentures. Yes, I know it's rather sick and just a little bit profane, extracting all this pleasure from a little pain.
The professor has a point. There's consolation to be found
if we just lay down our prejudice and take a look around.
Lots of trusting patience, lots of Novocaine.
A lot of pleasure from a little pain.
Who do they trust with the chronic analgesia? Us couldn't be any easier. Who will they trust to quell the baby's teething hurt? And all because we excelled in the leaving cert. All because we excelled in the leaving cert. For this is the point, don't you see? It's absolutely what we're meant to be. We didn't have the
this hurts.